In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Authenticator for Facebook. First, head to Facebook and make sure you're signed in. Look to the top right and click your profile picture to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings and Privacy and then select Settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage your account and security preferences. In the left-hand menu, click Password and Security. Facebook may open the Account Center for you, which is normal. If that happens, click Password and Security again within the Account Center so you're in the right place to manage two-factor authentication. Next, find and open two-factor authentication. When Facebook asks how you want to secure your account, choose Authentication app. This option works with Google Authenticator and is more secure than relying on text messages. Facebook will now display a QR code and usually a long setup key as an alternative. Keep this screen open. You'll need one of these to connect your account to Google Authenticator. If you're on a computer and have your phone handy, scanning the QR code is the fastest. If you're doing everything on one device, the setup key is a great fallback. Now open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Tap the plus icon to add a new account. You'll see two choices: enter a setup key or scan a QR code. Pick the one that matches what you can access on your Facebook screen. Both do the same thing. Scanning is quicker, while entering the key is useful if you can't scan. If you choose to enter the key, use Facebook as the account name so it's easy to recognize later. Carefully paste or type the exact key Facebook provided. Double check for spaces or missing characters, then save or add the account in Google Authenticator. The app will immediately generate a 6-digit code for Facebook that refreshes about every 30 seconds. Switch back to Facebook, select Next, and type that 6-digit code exactly as shown in Google Authenticator. Submit it to confirm the setup. You should see a confirmation that two-factor authentication with an authentication app is now active. If the code doesn't work the first time, wait for the next code cycle to appear in Google Authenticator and try again. Also, make sure your phone's time is set automatically. Accurate time is important for these codes to match. Keep your setup key private and avoid sharing screenshots of your codes. Labeling the entry as Facebook in the app will help you spot it quickly in the future. That's it. You've connected Google Authenticator to Facebook, adding a strong extra layer of protection to your account. Thanks for watching, and great job securing your login.